Hey everyone, welcome back to Delta Edge. Today, we're diving straight into the next big tech stocks you need to know. If you're new here, we do a ton of videos on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out. The Indian tech market is booming and there are massive opportunities for investors. With so many companies out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why I've done the research for you. In this video, we are breaking down the top 7 Indian tech stocks you need to keep your eye on in 2024. Stick around till the end for a special surprise worth rupees 21,000. Let's get started. First up, we have Tata Elxsi. Tata Elxsi is a global leader in design and technology services across industries like automotive, media, and communications. They're the brains behind some of the coolest tech innovations happening right now. Known for their cutting-edge technology, particularly in the automotive and media industries, Tata Elxsi has been a consistently strong performer in the market. Just take a look at their stock performance over the past few years. See that steady upward trend? That's the kind of growth that gets investors excited. The company's strong fundamentals, innovative solutions, and focus on emerging technologies like AI and IoT make it a top contender for long-term growth. The automotive industry is undergoing a massive transformation with electric vehicles and autonomous driving, and Tata Elxsi is at the forefront of this revolution. They're developing the software and systems that will power the cars of the future. They're also big players in the media and entertainment industry, developing solutions for virtual reality, augmented reality, and digital broadcasting. These are all multi-billion-dollar industries with huge growth potential, and Tata Elxsi is strategically positioned to profit from these trends. So if you're looking for a solid tech stock with a bright future, Tata Elxsi is definitely one to watch. Next up, we have Mindtree Limited. Mindtree is all about digital transformation and cloud services. They help businesses adapt to the digital age, streamline operations, and unlock new opportunities using technology. Operating in one of the fastest growing segments of the tech industry, Mindtree is there to help businesses make the digital transition smoothly and effectively. Just look at their stock performance, impressive growth. But it's not just about the numbers. Mindtree's robust revenue growth is driven by strategic partnerships with giants like Microsoft, Amazon, and Salesforce. These partnerships give them access to cutting-edge technologies and a massive customer base, positioning them for continued success. Mindtree is also heavily invested in research and development, staying ahead in next-gen technologies like AI, machine learning, and cloud computing. This forward-thinking approach ensures that Mindtree remains at the cutting edge of the digital transformation wave. So, if you're looking for a tech stock that's shaping the future of business, Mindtree Limited is a company you need to have on your radar. Their innovative mindset and strategic partnerships make them a standout in the tech industry. Moving on to Persistent Systems, a company quietly building a tech empire. Persistent Systems focuses on software and technology services, particularly cloud and enterprise solutions. They are the problem solvers of the tech world, helping businesses design, build, and manage complex software systems. Every company needs software to function, and as businesses become more reliant on technology, the demand for these services will skyrocket. Persistent Systems has a rock-solid business model with a diverse client base spanning multiple industries like healthcare, finance, and retail. This diversification helps them weather economic downturns and ensures a steady stream of revenue. Persistent Systems has been consistently growing their earnings year after year. They are well positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for digital solutions. As businesses move their operations to the cloud and embrace digital transformation, Persistent Systems is there to guide them every step of the way. They have the technical expertise, industry experience, and innovative mindset to help their clients succeed in the digital landscape. So, if you're looking for a tech stock with a proven track record and a bright future, Persistent Systems is a company you need to keep your eye on. Their consistent growth and diverse client base make them a strong contender in the tech market. Next up is L&T Technology Services, a company pushing the boundaries of what's possible through engineering and R&D services. L&T Technology Services is at the forefront of exciting technological advancements. They're developing the next generation of smart products, connected devices, and digital experiences. L&T Technology Services has a diverse portfolio spanning multiple sectors, from telecom and high-tech to industrial products and medical devices. This diversification reduces their reliance on any single market and allows them to tap into growth opportunities across various industries. L&T Technology Services is known for its innovative solutions and commitment to research and development. They invest heavily in staying ahead of the curve, developing cutting-edge technologies that give their clients a competitive edge. Their stock performance reflects their strong fundamentals and future potential. L&T Technology Services focuses on sustainability, developing solutions that are both innovative and environmentally responsible. This focus on sustainability aligns them with the values of increasingly conscious investors and positions them for success in a greener future. So, if you're looking for a tech stock that's engineering a better future, both technologically and sustainably, L&T Technology Services deserves your attention. Let's talk about Mphasis Limited, a company diving headfirst into the complex world of banking and financial services with its cutting-edge IT services and solutions. Mphasis is playing a crucial role in shaping the future of finance. They develop mission-critical applications essential for the global financial system. Their specialized expertise has earned them the trust of major banks and financial institutions. Mphasis is strategically positioned to benefit from the ongoing digital transformation of the financial services industry. They provide innovative solutions in cloud computing, AI, and data analytics. Mphasis Limited is a standout in the financial tech sector. Coforge, formerly NIIT Technologies, has rebranded as a leader in IT services and digital transformation. They focus on innovation, customer centricity, and delivering exceptional digital experiences. Coforge is agile, evolving to meet digital demands. They're at the forefront of cloud computing, AI, data analytics, and cybersecurity. Coforge collaborates closely with clients to understand their needs. Their rebranding and strategic initiatives aim for global leadership in digital transformation. Coforge is a tech stock to watch for innovation and exceptional results. Last but not least, let's talk about Happiest Minds Technologies, a company that lives up to its name by creating digital solutions that bring joy to both its clients and its investors. Happiest Minds believes that technology should be a force for good, a tool that empowers people, enhances lives, and creates a more joyful and fulfilling world. They're developing cutting-edge digital solutions that solve real-world problems and make a positive impact. Happiest Minds focuses on niche technologies and emerging trends, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. Whether it's AI, blockchain, cloud computing, or IoT, Happiest Minds is at the forefront of these disruptive technologies. Happiest Minds fosters a culture of happiness, creativity, and collaboration within their organization. They take a highly personalized approach, working closely with clients to understand their unique needs and challenges. Happiest Minds has consistently delivered strong revenue growth, attracting a loyal clientele that appreciates their innovative solutions and collaborative spirit. So, if you're looking for a tech stock that's not just about profits but about purpose, Happiest Minds Technologies is definitely a company worth watching. Their focus on people and innovative solutions makes them a standout in the tech industry. So, there you have it. The next big tech stocks you need to know. These 7 companies are leading the charge in India's booming tech industry and are well positioned for continued growth. Remember, if you've watched this far, you're eligible for a special surprise worth Rs 21,000. Just subscribe, send a screenshot to WhatsApp at 911321187 and you'll receive 5 financial calculators absolutely free. Plus, our How to Automate Trades course, usually priced at Rs 7,000, is available for only Rs 99. Check the link in the description. This is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion based on my research. Make sure to do your own research and consider adding these stocks to your portfolio. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next video.